audience and my esteemed artists. Team Surbahar is very, very happy to bring you the famous trio that you see in front of you. I'll be introducing you to all of them. Today, our main artist, the vocal artist, is Mrs. Shriya Sondur. Mrs. Shriya is a Hindustani classical vocalist and has been learning Gwalior Agra Gharana Gaiki from Vidushi Saushruti Gokhale ji for the past 17 years. She has training of various genres like Thumri, Tappa, Dadra, Hori, Bhajan Abhangas, Natya Sangeet. She is an All India Radio B high grade artist. In the field of Natya Sangeet, she is trained by stalwarts like Srimati Shubhada and Sri Shrikant Dadarkar ji, Sri Ramdas Kamath ji, Srimati Rajni Joshi ji, Sri Arvind Pilgaonkar and Mrs. Nilakshi Pendharkar ji. Shriya ji has bagged various prestigious awards, and to name a few are Ganvardhan Puraskar, Swaravilas Baroda, Gujarat Rajya Sangeet Natak Academy and Antashwar Baroda, Yashwant Surashri Nanded, Kusumagraj Pratishthan, and many more awards. She is the recipient of Ministry of Culture Young Artist Scholarship as well. She has been blessed to perform and render her musical offerings at various concerts across cities like Sangeet Samrat Aladia Khan Yuva Mahotsav, Sanat Kada Mahotsav Lucknow, Kala Ghoda Festival, Balgandhar Shruti Samaroha, Ustad Alarakha Guru Purnima, Pulotsav Vile Parle, Uttaradhikar Mahotsav, Deval Club Kolhapur, Rani Hirai Mahotsav, and many, many more. Shriya ji was also a part of web series named Bandish Bandits on Amazon Prime, music direction by the legendary trio Shankar Ehsan Layo, in which she sang a Paramparik Bandish in Rag Bihag, Lata Ulji Suljaja Balama. Welcome, Shriya ji. On the harmonium today, we have Sri Ameya Ajit Gandhi ji. Ameya ji, welcome. Ameya has been training under Vidushi Seema Shirorkar ji for the past 10 years. And at this young age of 21 years, he has bagged many prestigious awards in competitions organized by Sharada Sangeet Vidyalaya, Suranjan Trust, Thane. He has the honor of being the silver medal holder for consecutive 2 years in the Youth Festival. In addition to Saath Sangat to many maestros, he has also done many solo performances in sabhas like Suburban Music Circle, Surpanvel, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Ellora Ajanta International Festival, and many, many more. So welcome, Ameya ji. And on the tabla today, we have Atharva Kulkarni ji. Atharva Kulkarni ji has taken formal training in tabla from Guru Pandit Mukundrao Dev ji for a very long period of 2001 till 2013. Guru Pandit Mukundrao Dev ji is a disciple of Guru Ustad Fazal Qureshi ji in the Ustad Alarkha Institute of Music. Atharva ji is a tabla visharat from Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, Miraj. He has won many prizes in competitions like Dadar Matunga Cultural Center, Maharashtra Utsav, Youth Festival, Mata Carnival Jugalbandi, and many, many more. He has done performances in many famous festivals like the Kala Ghoda Festival, Upwan Art Festival, Ustad Alarkha Guru Purnima, Green Raga by Banyan Tree, Sura Samvad by Rotary Thane, Sura Arsas 2017 and 2018, and many more. He is also a founder and team member of fusion band Ruh. He has accompanied many famous classical vocalists like Pandit Ajay Pohankar ji, Sanjeev Chimalgi ji, sitarist Pandit Ravi Chari ji, flutist Sri Vivek Sonar ji, Amarok, Kathak dancer Mrs. Sonia Parchure, and many, many more. He has performed in special episodes of famous TV show of Zee Marathi, Chala Hawa Yodhya, with Pandit Rupak Kulkarni, senior disciple of Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, and Santur player late Pandit Ulhas Bapar ji. Welcome, Atharva ji. So, handing over the evening to our artists.
My bad. A very warm welcome to all of you present at this Baitak. Firstly, I'd like to thank the entire team of Sur Bahar for inviting me here to this lovely setup, firstly. So, thanks to the entire team. I will be starting with Rag Shri. I have two bandishes, two compositions which I will be performing. The first one is the Bada Khyal, which is in Tal Jhumra. It is a Paramparik bandish. And the second will be a Chota Khyal, which is in Tal Teen Tal, composed by Pandit Arun Kasharkar ji. So, hope you enjoy. Let's start. हे वारे जाऊ रे सावरे या तुम पे वार नारे तुम पे वारो वारे जाऊ रे सावरे या तुम पे वार नारे तुम पे वारो वारे जाऊ रे हे वारे जाऊ रे सावरे या सावरे या तुम पे वारो वारे जाऊ रे वारे जाऊ हे तुम पे वारे जाऊ रे वारे जाऊ वारे 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 जाऊ रे हे वारे जाऊ वारे जाऊ रे जाऊं रे सावरिया 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 तुम पे वारन बर जाऊं रे बर जाऊं रे बर जाऊं रे या तो मन पे वार नारे वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया तुम पे वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया तुम पे वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया तुम पे वारन जाऊं रे हे वारी जाऊं रे सावरी सावरिया वारन पे वरी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया तुम पे है वरन जाऊं वारी 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 जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया तुम पे वारन रे वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया तुम पे वारन जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया वारी जाऊं रे सावरिया वारी जाऊं रे जाऊ रे वारे वारे जाऊ वारे जाऊ रे सावरिया सावरे या तुम पे वारू वारी जाऊ रे पम प नि सा रे रे नि द पम प रे रे नि द पम प दा दा पम द ग रे ग रे सा रे ग रे सा नि सा रे 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 प रे म प द रे प सा प नि सा रे रे प रे ग रे सा ब रे जाऊ रे पम प सा नि सा रे नि द पम प द दा म ग रे ग रे सा प सा प नि सा रे म प द द म ग रे सा प नि सा रे ब नि सा रे रे प प सा नि सा रे रे ग प प रे ग रे सा ब रे जाऊ रे म प रे रे नि ग प म प रे नि ग प म प सा सा नि सा रे रे ग रे सा नि सा रे रे नि ग प म प रे नि ग प म प ध ध ध ध म ग रे रे द म ग रे सा द म ग रे सा द म ग रे सा ब रे जाऊ रे मन लागा तुम्ही सना मोरा 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 मोरा मन लागा तुम्ही सना मोरा मन लागा मन लागा तुम्ही सना मोरा मोरा मन लागा तुम्ही सना मोरा पिहरवा 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 तुम बिन जियरा पिहरवा बिकल तुम बिन जियरा पिहरवा तुम बिकल जियरा मन लागा तुम्ही सना मोरा मन लागा मन लागा तुम्ही सन मोरा मन लागा मन लागा तुम्ही सन मोरा 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 तुम्ही सन मोरा मन लागा तुम्ही सन मोरा पिहरवा तुम बिन विकल जियरा पिहरवा तुम बिन विकल जियरा मन लागा तुम्ही सन मोरा दर्शन की लागी मोहे आस दर्शन की लागी मोहे आस जो दरस रसदास जो दरस रसदास सुझत